Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jimmy. Welcome to my channel, Tennis with Kajimboy. Pilipino po ako. Based po ako dito sa Australia. Melbourne, Australia to be specific. And at the time that I'm recording this video, it's 8:56 p.m. dito po sa Melbourne. So if you do not understand Tagalog or Filipino, kindly mute this video now, as the commentary is mostly Filipino or Tagalog. Okay, ang gagawin po natin dito is commentary lang po habang view natin tong game between Swiatek and Sorana, Cirstea. So ito pong preview na pinapanood natin ngayon, it's from the first set. Ang gagawin ko lang pong commentary is for the winning set. So usually, it's the second set or the third set. Sa women's tennis po kasi hanggang 3 sets lang, which is mas
it's great noise here on Stadium 1. Both players getting a huge amount of support.
Magbigay lang po akong short intro. I started learning tennis at around 54 years old. Medyo matanda na po at may edad na po tayo. Right now, I am, hindi ko na matandaan tuloy. 1967 po ako. So, at my age, parang fitness na lang to, libangan. Kaya ako nagte-tennis. And since talagang hilig ko po mag-tennis, palagi ako nanonood ng mga games on TV. I have a subscription with Stan and WTA. So, hopefully, hindi naman nila i-block to since we're promoting tennis to the Filipinos. So this is the start of the second set. Lamang po si Swiatek. 1 set versus Sorana, Cirstea.
Pressure when you play against Swiatek on every shot.
I will focus primarily, or rather, the videos that I will show on my channel are primarily women's tennis. It's because kung hindi ko po, ano ba yung tamang word dun? Hindi nagja-jive sa akin ng men's tennis because puro power shots po sila eh. Hindi ko naman kaya yun eh. Whereas sa women's tennis, I can learn so much dahil they leverage their body weight to generate power. And also talagang move nila yung opponent nila left and right, forward and backwards. Maraming paraan para to make a point, whereas pareho din sa men's tennis ganun din po, pero mostly power. So hindi ko na-appreciate because of my age. I don't think I can work with that kind of tennis. Pero to each his own, di ba? So if you like men's tennis as well, or the ATP, I don't think I'll be showing more of that here on my channel. It's mostly women's tennis. So
has to be that good at the moment to get through the defenses of Swiatek.
The way they pronounce that, her last name is parang Volkswagen, yung W, it becomes a V.
All of the match on every point, every shot.
Swiatek.
That would be the next level for her.
I'm saying it correctly, Swiatek. Si Sorana, Cirstea, I think it's Cirstea or Cirstea. I think it's Cirstea, if I remember correctly. But you can comment below. I'm sure maraming magko-comment dyan pag mali, Ganun po sa internet. So every now and then, kung may magandang shot, especially if it's a winning shot, lalagyan po natin ng instant replay. Dahil if you're like me, I like to see immediately kung anong nangyari, paano na-move yung opponent, paano na-build yung point.
There's just sort of no points.
Usually for winning shots lang po, also for return of serves or serve +1 kung maganda yung play.
Right on it again.
Instant replay. Pero kung unfortunate,
she's getting better and better here.
Hindi ko na hindi natin lalagyan ng instant replay. Masyadong matagal yung video pagka ganon. If you want to see the full video, you can visit the WTA channel. Look it up on YouTube, and I'll put a description. I'll put a link to their channel on YouTube and the description below. Soon as I publish this video. Kaya nito, you can see on the lower right hand side, there's some words there, instant replay. Doon po din yung makikita kung replay
Swiatek closing in on a year at the world #1 spot.
It's quite another achievement she has.
Yeah.
Also, papansinin po ninyo, condensed po itong video na sineshare ko sa inyo. The full video, again, you can see it on the WTA channel here on YouTube or on their website. Ang inaano pa natin dito yung highlights. So, maraming edit na po akong ginawa dito, especially on the audio and on the video as well. So, right now, lamang si Iga Swiatek. 2-0.
The backhand is just unplayable at the moment.
Kaya ako naisipang
So
gumawa ng commentary about women's tennis or tennis in general as well is because nung lumalaki po ako sa Pilipinas, wala masyadong tennis konti lang yung kakilala ko na naglalaro ng tennis. Kung sana nung pangbata ako marami kong kilala na nagtitennis, malamang bata pa ako noon, nagtennis na ako. Pero wala siguro sa 100 na kakilala ko, isa lang ang nagtitennis. More so back in UST. Sa UST ako nag-aral, nag-university. Isa lang yung kilala ko nagtitennis and varsity pa siya.
That's what she does. Losing away a bit, Cirstea.
Ilan na sila marunong mag-tennis siguro sa UST. So siguro yung, admittedly magaling siya. Pero ilan lang nung time na yun ang marunong mag-tennis na kakilala ko. So hopefully, with my commentary and with my channel, I can help promote tennis in the Philippines so that more and more people will, appreciate and start playing tennis as well. Para pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, marami akong nakakilala. Marami naman tayo makikitang channel on YouTube na mga nagte-tennis, maraming tennis channels ng mga Pilipino. Pero I think it's mostly in the Visayas region, if I remember correctly. Dati akong natira sa Visayas for a year. Ang nakita kong video was in Sogod, Leyte, meron din sa Cebu, Iloilo. Meron din ako nakikitang videos, tennis videos in Davao. Karamihan po sila sa Cebu. Iloilo, nabanggit ko na Leyte, meron din. Pero ilan. Sa Manila, konti lang yata. Where I'm from, Manila po ako. Konti lang talaga.
She's everywhere. Here goes Swiatek. What a performance she's putting in here. This is the world #1, everyone.
Or at least I need to have someone or may kakilala dapat ako who's a member para makalaro. And if I remember correctly, medyo mabigat sa bulsa para sa masa ang bayad sa tennis, especially kung magme-member ka ng isang club. Dito sa Melbourne, meron din po tayo, maraming tennis clubs dito Alam niyo naman po, meron dito ang Australian Open, so medyo popular ang tennis dito. But not as popular as Australian football or cricket, Basketball, hindi masyado sikat dito. Soccer, meron ding may following ang soccer dito. Tennis talaga, mabigat ang tennis nito. Maraming naglalaro. In fact, bigyan ko lang kayo ng
another break.
Idea, where I live here in Melbourne. Dun sa vicinity ko, for every 5 kilometers, siguro mayroong isang tennis club or tennis court na pwedeng mapaglaruan.
He's missed a backhand.
Ang membership will vary depending on the tennis club or the courts that are available. Pinakamura yata is $180 Australian dollars a year. You can play as much as you want, pero siguro I think kailangan mo mag-book. And kung magbo-book ka individually, it's 1 hour. Pero kung dalawa kayo maglalaro and both of you are members, so 1 hour each, 2 hours maximum. Now, member ako ng 3 tennis clubs dito. Talagang nakahiligan ko lang po at naghahanap ng mga kalaro, no? Yung isang club na sinalihan ko, hindi mo na kailangan mag-book pero first come first serve. Which is good kasi may libre akong oras during the day. Flexible yung oras ko. So I can go during the day and talagang want to sawa hanggang bumigay ang tuhod ko, hanggang sumakit yung paa namin ng kapartner ko. Magte-tennis kami. Kahapon naglaro kami 4 hours. It was a lot. Una 2 hours and then 1 hour rest and then kinontak kami ng kaibigan namin. They wanted to play. So, kami naglaro sa isang court naman na kung saan ako member sa Baldwin. Another 2 hours. Well, actually 1.5 hours lang. Pero it was fun na kinaya pa naman. So right now, makikita ninyo, lamang si Iga Swiatek 4 games to 0. Pero
she is able to get off the mark.
Cirstea. Break point siya ngayon. So, tingnan natin kung kaya niyang habulin. Pero, delayed, na-play na po ito earlier this year. So, alam na po ninyo kung anong results itong game. Sinishare ko lang dahil interesting itong game na to. These are two of my favorite players, si Iga Swiatek and Sorana Cirstea. So, ito yung inuna nating share na video. Dati po ako nag-upload ng medyo up-to-date na videos or matches. Pero nagka-problema yung channel ko dahil nagkaroon ng
full of energy from the get-go.
I try not to publish ng mga latest games. Para naman hassle Gagawa ka ng video pag tutuan naman ng oras. And then magkaka-problema lang. So I think it's best na pipiliin ko yung mga games na magaganda talaga. And then I'll make a commentary about it. Share what I think about the game, the players, and also share about tennis culture here in Melbourne. Also, kung pahihintulutan po ninyo ako, share ko din yung mga experience ko with regards to tennis. So, continuing, lamang yata si Iga ngayon, although mahabol si Sorana. Let's see how it goes. Mahabol si Sorana Cirstea at the moment. Maikwento ko lang sa inyo, no? Tomorrow is June 14. So bukas, I'm a member of one of the clubs around here. It's Box Hill South Tennis Club.
Oh, crafty.
Nag-start yung winter
what a deft
social
touch.
competitions. We call it Fast Four. Starts tomorrow.
She's working
goes on
with
for
her new
6
coach,
weeks, every Wednesday from 7 p.m. until 9:30.
To the other
Kung
side of the court,
nasa
playing
vicinity
tactically
kayo,
better.
you're a Filipino,
So that was a really clever
alam
shot.
nyo kung saan yung Box Hill South Tennis Club, pasyalan nyo naman po ako.
Really well executed
Makikita
too.
nyo ako doon. Ang ganda nun, no? Drop shot. Madalas makikita nyo yung mga kalaban ni Iga nagda-drop shot. Yung last na finals, Roland Garros, Iga Swiatek versus Muhova. May mga drop shot na ginawa si Muhova doon, which was effective. Sayang lang hindi niya ginawa palagi or hindi niya tinutukan yung net play. Siguro the results would have been different, but that's in hindsight and just my opinion. So siguro mali. Pero para sa akin maganda sana kung mas marami tayong makikita na net play sa mga players lately. So but
finds it on the line.
You feel like she's put it even a little bit more. So she's in the lead, 6-2, 4-2, 30 love, thinking, okay.
Ang ganda ng extension sa serve ni Iga. It's not
Well
replay.
done.
Return of serve.
40-15.
Nice.
Well, it looks a tough route back into this contest, but believe and fire winners like that if she can. So good.
Well, she's a fighter. Once again, using that backhand in the open court there.
Ganda ng palo ni
That's what it
Sorana.
takes. 4-5-6 ball. Every point, you have to be patient.
There you go. Pansin niya, no? Dinala niya si Iga dun sa extreme left ni Sorana, no? But right on the screen, on the video. And then, dinala niya yung bola dun sa kabila.
That one's not coming back. Swiatek with enough behind it. And now she is a game away from a place in the semi-finals. 5-2. There. One game will do the trick.
Yeah, encouraging word for Cirstea coming from her coach. Even though she's down 5-2 in the second. It's nice to hear.
Kaya ako rin ginagawa itong mga videos na ganito is because hindi naman lahat ng Pilipino ay may access sa WT or Stan TV. I'm just doing my share or my part na i-share yung magaganda at interesting games or matches. And sana makapulutan natin ng
Nice.
ano bang tawag doon? Kasi I used to have coaching, pero ang mahal parang 30 per session for group coaching, and hindi naman ako natututukan masyado. I tend to learn better if I were to watch a video. Kung may nagustuhan akong technique or strategy, I go to the court and practice it.
Reaction with that drop shot.
And again, they raise the volume in the stands, which is good to hear.
Sa mga competitions, sumasali ako every now and then, pero hindi ko hinahanap. Kung meron lang doon sa club, sasali ako. Pero I'd rather parang wala lang, exercise. And also, para siya kasing chess eh. It's a mind game. Hindi lang palakasan, although kung parehong age and skill level, it's interesting to play. That's why when I got started, nung makuha ko yung basics, yung fundamentals, I'm hooked. I was hooked. Talagang kung pwede lang maglaro everyday, I would.
Yeah, as you mentioned, whatever happens, but there's so many things she's doing well, and she has improved in the course of the last few months.
Kung Pilipino ka and you're here in Melbourne, sana mag-comment ka dito sa mga videos ko, no? And then, pwede tayo maglaro. Hindi naman ako ganun kagalingan. I can invite you over to my club. Message mo lang ako or write a comment, and then siguro we can set up
behind that last shot from Cirstea.
Practice session or a match or something.
But as soon as there's just a drop in level on a shot,
network
Swiatek
o
is
mga
on top of
kakilala
it.
na nagte-tennis, pakilala kita dito sa club ko para merong tayong makakalaro. Every now and then, may nakakalaro po tayong Pilipino sa mga clubs, ano? Especially yung mga competition. Itong darating na bukas, may competition kami sa Box Hill South. Yung mga Pilipino ron. Siguro
Match points for the world number one.
Siguro ilan yun. The whole field. So match point. Ibig sabihin, malapit na matapos to. Not yet.
It's out. The title defense is still on for Iga Swiatek.
Of course, Jimmy, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.